Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about tips on how to build wealth through real estate. Real estate is one of the best ways to build wealth because it's a tangible asset that can appreciate in value and provide a source of passive income. So let's get started. The first thing to do when you want to build wealth through real estate is 1. Start with a plan. Before you begin investing in real estate, determine your investment objectives, time frame, and budget. This helps you remain focused and makes it easier to measure progress. Starting with a plan is especially important in real estate investing because it is a major financial decision that requires significant capital investment. Here are some things to consider when creating a plan for your real estate investing. Determine your investment objectives. What do you hope to achieve by investing in real estate? Some investors are looking for long-term wealth building, while others seek immediate cash flow. Consider what your goals are so you can ensure your investments align with your objectives. 2. Establish a budget. Consider how much money you can invest in real estate without putting too much financial strain on yourself, and determine how you will finance your investments. You might consider using some of your own funds or taking out a loan. It's important to calculate your expected returns to ensure your investments are generating the return on investment that you're looking for. Overall, having a plan in place helps you to prioritize your investment choices, stay focused, and track your progress. It also helps you to make well-informed decisions about which properties to invest in, and how long to hold on to them. Moving on to the second tip. Educate yourself. In a real estate perspective, educating yourself is one of the most important things you can do to succeed as an investor. This involves gaining knowledge on topics such as different types of properties, real estate laws, rental agreements, and market trends. By educating yourself, you can make more informed and profitable investment decisions. There are several ways to educate yourself on the real estate market. You can read books on real estate investing, attend seminars or workshops hosted by experts in the field, or take online courses or tutorials. Additionally, joining local real estate investor groups or clubs can also provide valuable opportunities to network and learn from other experienced investors. Ultimately, the more you know about your local real estate market, the better equipped you will be to identify profitable investment opportunities and make smarter financial decisions. Third tip. Start small. Starting small in the real estate market is a great way to gain experience and knowledge before making major investments. By purchasing a small rental property or vacation home, you can learn about the rental market, property management, and maintenance. This can help you to make informed decisions when it comes to larger investments, as you will have a better understanding of the market and how to manage properties effectively. Additionally, starting small can also provide you with a low-risk opportunity to get into the real estate market, and can help you to build a solid foundation for future investments. Fourth tip. Choose a prime location. In real estate, choosing the right location is critical. A property located in a prime location or neighborhood that is close to essential amenities such as schools, hospitals, and shopping centers is likely to be in high demand. This can result in a higher selling price and an increased return on investment. Prospective buyers or renters often prioritize locations that are conveniently located, especially for essential amenities such as schools or hospitals. If your property is located close to these amenities, it can greatly increase its attractiveness to buyers or renters. Additionally, a desirable location boosts the perceived value of your property, which in turn can help to increase your profits. Therefore, when investing in real estate, it is important to carefully research the area and consider the location carefully. Properties located in areas where essential amenities are easily accessible and in high demand generally make for sound investments. Fifth tip. Consider top-performing markets. When it comes to real estate investing, it's important to consider the performance of various markets before making any decisions. One way to do this is by analyzing market data for different cities and states, paying close attention to factors like property values, rental demand, and vacancy rates. To maximize your investment returns, it's often best to choose top-performing markets with strong growth potential. These markets may have a track record of steady appreciation, high rental occupancy rates, and favorable economic conditions. Working with a professional real estate agent can be especially helpful in this regard. They can provide valuable insights on local market trends, help you identify high-growth areas, and give you access to off-market properties that may not be publicly listed. Ultimately, by doing your due diligence and selecting top-performing markets, you can increase your chances of success and achieve higher returns on your real estate investments. Sixth tip. Secure financing in good time. In the real estate industry, securing financing in good time is crucial. This tip refers to the importance of having access to funds to finance a real estate purchase or investment. Having a good credit score is one way to ensure that you are eligible for the best financing options available. Lenders use a credit score to determine the likelihood of a borrower repaying a loan, so having a good score shows that you are a reliable borrower. Additionally, establishing a good relationship with lenders is important as it can help you get better terms and rates on your loans. This can include working with a bank or financial institution that specializes in real estate financing, or building a relationship with an individual lender who understands your specific needs and goals. By securing financing in a timely manner and having a good relationship with lenders, you can ensure that you are prepared to take advantage of real estate opportunities as they arise, and make deals that are profitable for you in the long run. Last tip. Don't give up. When it comes to real estate investing, real estate is a long-term investment and it can take time to see a return on your investment, especially in today's market. It's important to have a solid plan and strategy, but also be flexible enough to adapt to changes in the market. It's also important to stay committed to your investment goals, even when the going gets tough. This may mean weathering through tough economic times or unforeseen circumstances that can impact your investments. One key to not giving up is to keep learning and staying informed about the real estate market. This includes staying up to date on market trends, regulations and laws, and keeping an eye on potential opportunities for investing. It's also important to have a support system, whether it's a mentor, advisor, or even a community of fellow real estate investors. They can provide valuable insight and encouragement when the going gets tough. Remember, building wealth through real estate investment is a journey, and perseverance is key to achieving success. In conclusion, investing in real estate is a great way to achieve financial success. With a well-thought-out plan and a reliable professional support system, investors can overcome barriers, maximize profits, and create multi-generational wealth through real estate investment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or contributions to make. Until next time, goodbye.